Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Memorizing Characters. Today we'll learn the cliff radical. Cliff radical, 场字头 written like this. 横撇场字头 Let's start with this structural feature. The radical 场字头 is a left side semi-enclosed radical with two strokes, shaped like a cliff, overhang, or a shed roof, covering things underneath. 场字头 Most characters with this radical related to cliffs, mountains, buildings, warehouses, shelters, and hard solid materials. Here are some common daily characters for reference. 厂 means a factory. 厂 侧 side 左侧 left side 右侧 right side 力 sharp 力 sharp 厨kitchen 厨房石 stone 厂 factory 侧 side 力 sharp 厨 kitchen 石 stone. All these words are sheltered by the outer cliff radical 场字头. Now let's write these 5 characters one by one again. 场侧力厨石 cliff radical 场字头 Whenever you see this overhanging shape in Chinese characters, you can associate the meaning with shelters, rocks, or constructions. Okay, pausing the video now. Grab your pen and paper. Copy 场侧力厨石 for handwriting practice. Leave a comment below if you know other characters with 场字头. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.